Gutters play a vital role in protecting your home from water damage. They help to redirect water away from your home's foundation, siding, and landscaping, but only when they are clean and functioning properly. Unfortunately, many homeowners neglect to maintain their gutters and end up facing costly repairs and structural damage to their home. Even if your gutters appear to be clear and free of debris, regular cleaning is still necessary to maintain their integrity and ensure they are working as intended. Clogs and debris buildup can cause water to overflow, leading to damage to your home's foundation, siding, and landscaping. In addition, clogged gutters can create the perfect breeding ground for pests and mold, putting your health at risk. Waiting for clogs to form before cleaning your gutters can lead to serious problems, including damage to your home's foundation, siding, and landscaping. A small amount of debris can lead to big problems, and buildup that you can't see can cause serious problems for your gutters. Don't be misled by clear gutters. Don't take your gutters for granted, and don't let neglect lead to costly repairs. Keep in mind that gutter neglect is a recipe for costly home repairs, and don't let hidden buildup cause problems for your gutters. The importance of gutter cleaning can't be overstated and should not be overlooked. Don't let your gutters be the weak link in your home's defense, and don't play Russian roulette with your gutters. Schedule regular cleaning to keep them functioning properly and protect your home and family. It is important to note that regular gutter cleaning is not only important for maintaining the structural integrity of your home, but it is also important for the overall health and safety of your family. Clogged gutters can create the perfect breeding ground for pests and mold, which can have serious health consequences if left untreated. Don't take the risk of neglecting your gutters and putting your family's health at risk. Regular gutter cleaning is a simple and relatively inexpensive task, but it can save you thousands of dollars in costly repairs and potential health risks. It is important to schedule regular cleaning at least twice a year, or more frequently if you live in an area with a lot of trees or other debris. In addition to regular cleaning, it is also important to inspect your gutters on a regular basis to check for any signs of damage or wear. This includes checking for leaks, cracks, or holes in the gutters, as well as making sure that the gutters are securely attached to your home. Early detection of problems can help to prevent further damage and keep your home and family safe. To sum up, gutters are an essential component of your home's defense against water damage. Regular cleaning and inspections are necessary to maintain their integrity and ensure they are functioning properly. Neglecting your gutters can lead to costly repairs and potential health risks. Don't wait for clogs or damage to occur. Schedule regular cleaning and inspections to protect your home and family. Don't wait for clogs or damage to occur. Call Trinity Power Washing LLC today at 540-904-0995 or visit us at www.trinitypowerwashingllc.com to schedule your regular gutter cleaning and inspection. Our team of professionals are equipped with the tools and knowledge to effectively clean and maintain your gutters, ensuring they are functioning properly and protecting your home from water damage. Trust us to keep your home and family safe. Contact Trinity Power Washing LLC today to schedule your appointment.